Well, Tricia, it seems pretty close to be planting a plant so close to this one.
Well, I agree with you. I wouldn't dare plant a plant this close. I'm going to plant something a lot more exciting.
Okay, what is that?
How about a milk jug?
A milk jug, okay. All right, explain this one to me.
Well, you know, here in Southern California, we have had problems with water forever and ever. We've had some good rains recently, thank goodness, and I've got a great green garden
Sure
right
do,
now.
yeah.
But generally speaking, water is a premium, and this is a great way to deliver water to a specific plant. What I've done is taken a gallon jug, a milk jug, you could use a juice jug as well, and I have poked little holes in the bottom of it. Now, depending on how many holes you put, the water might seep through slower or more quickly.
Right.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally plant this in here. I keep the top on because I want to be able to keep the dirt out as I'm pulling it around.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And then after I do this, what I'm going to do is pour the water into it. And as you can see, as I cover up the container, that little red
right, yeah. You can be able to find it a little bit.
Exactly, going to be able to find it.
Now, is this better than really just coming out with a hose and watering the plant, you know, a few days at a time?
Well, you know, that's a really good point because in my opinion, it's much better. As this water goes in there, the water is going to go much more directly to the roots and give it that deep watering that plants just love instead of just a splash.